Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to take slow motion video in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, open camera in your phone and go to more button and here select slow motion and now start recording your video. I am going to record this video. Okay, I am clicking on recording button and screen recording is going on. So while recording it will be like a normal video, but after playing the video you will see slow motion. Okay, I am recording just slow motion video. Okay, yes, I have completed and click on stop. And now open the video that I took and see here. See the slow motion. Video is in slow motion. Action is slow. See here. So in this way you can easily take slow motion video in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.